Welcome to day 6 of the Colorado road trip. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It's free and an easy way to support me on my big adventure. I have been busy going through all of Colorado. I have been on this trip alone to 3 national parks. I've also gotten to visit Canyons of the Ancient and driven through Independence Pass. Today I'm in Colorado Springs and I cannot wait to show you this town. I have been told that I need to go to Garden of the Gods. But before that, I'm going to head up to Manitou Springs where they have Rainbow Falls. Rainbow Falls is a waterfall, but with a twist. One of my favorite things when I'm in a new town is to check out a local coffee shop. This trip I've been so busy that I haven't had a chance to do that yet. So Colorado Springs presents the perfect opportunity to start this day off right with coffee. So good that when I finished my breakfast, I got a cold brew to go. Now we're ready to hit the road. The water is so cold, but how cool is this bridge? Graffiti mixed with the natural waterfall is right up my alley. I love public art, sanctioned and unsanctioned, which many of you might call graffiti, but this is really cool. I've seen pictures with it having more graffiti, which I think would be awesome, but this is also nice. That was a cool stop. Now I'm headed to Garden of the Gods. Oh, geez. I feel like I found the busiest part in the whole park. My other mask got wet at the waterfall, so you get Bandit Laura from now on. This rock is pretty cool, but every single person is up there getting their picture taken with it. This is Garden of the Gods. I don't know how much we'll be able to see because of the storms. So monsoon season has officially hit Colorado. And when it rains, it rains. So I've been able to avoid it for this entire road trip. I've only had to drive in pouring rain one time, and I have not got caught outside in the rain yet. So this should be interesting. So far, Garden of the Gods. Amazing rocks, just amazing. I can see why people want to come here. Part of the fun in hiking is that you really have to work for a view like this. So anytime you're in a place this neat that's so accessible, it's going to be swarmed with people. I will need to retreat to the car soon because it's raining, but I'm going to see if I can wait them out. Pretty cool view, definitely worth the hike up. If you're coming to Garden of the Gods, you definitely can just stop and take one or two pictures with the rocks and move on. But there is adventure if you look for it. If you do that, you'll end up at places like this and you'll be there by yourself. Okay, just check the signage. This rock has been a tourist trap since the 1890s, when someone decided they would buy it and the land around it and charge people 25 cents to develop their pictures. So this has been happening for 130 years. Okay, I popped over to Red Rock Canyon. It's about a 5-minute drive from Garden of the Gods. I was looking for a spot to take a quiet walk, and that seemed a little busy. So here we are. Let's check it out. One thing I've been looking for in Colorado that I have not found is a reflective lake that shows the mountains. How fitting is it to find it on the very last day, my very last stop. Cannot think of a better place to end this road trip. Thank you for coming along with me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you haven't seen the other videos, make sure that you check them out. I don't know where the next adventure is. First of all, I don't know how to beat this. If you have a recommendation for the next adventure, put it in the comments below. If you have not subscribed, you need to do that because it's not nearly as much fun without you here with me. So make sure you do that. I have absolutely loved the state of Colorado. I have no doubt that I'll be back someday.